So the next part is, how do we know where this goes? There's three ways. When we hover over it, you notice our mouse turns clicky. Um, and in the bottom left corner, it says google.com. I can also right click and copy it. Um, and bam, it takes me to google.com. And then the last way is the classic way to get there. We can click on it and go and see where it took us. So the same thing for the other two. I can see it's youtube.com and OUSD's website. Um, some other things to point out. Um, this is slanted, so I used an I tag. This is really big. I also used an H1 tag. Um, so you can use multiple tags to still format your text more, but just make sure you have your A tag there too. All right, let us try something. Um, so I'm just going to practice right now and show you guys how to make some links. I'm going to call this practice links. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a link going. We click on docs. We can click on links. And I'm going to copy and paste this. And I just want to see what this looks like. So this says Google. If I hover over it, I can see it takes me to Google. I can click it. For some reason, you have to actually click open for it to work. I could not tell you why. What I want it to do is I want it to say hot dog. No, I want to say Monkey King. I like Monkey King restaurant. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's run it. Notice it still says Monkey King, but it goes to Google. So let's try just erasing this. Now with nothing in there, it doesn't take us anywhere. So that's not good. So I'm going to look up Monkey King. Here's their website. I can go to it just to see what it looks like. Ooh, no, I shouldn't have done this. Now I want to order something. Okay, so what we're going to do, I copied that address. I'm just going to paste it in here. Make sure you still have the quotes around it. Make sure your href is spelled right. I didn't change any of that. And this looks like it might work. Oh, well, let's open it. And it does. It takes us there. We can still format this more if we want. So like, let's say I want it really big. I'm going to highlight this just to the A tag. I'm going to drag it in here. And now it's really big. We can format it however we want. Let's practice one more. So I'm going to type it out this time. And I'm just doing underlines. Okay, what I want to show up is, I want it to say, one website I like is Amazon, even though they're kind of evil. I want to say Amazon, and then I want it to take me to Amazon.com. So we're going to put this right here. On it. Doesn't take us anywhere. I just want to delete this real quick. If you don't put any text, no link shows up, even if you have the stuff in here. So let's get Amazon. I just got their address. Even though there's stuff there, you still can't see it. So you need to have the word Amazon shopping. Now it shows up, and it should take us there. For some reason, we got to click open for it to actually work. All right, so let's delete all these. There's two links right there, though. Okay. There's some links that are bad on this one. So let's take a look. There's 3 problems. Let's look at this first one. So I see that OUSD's website is not a link. So what that makes me think is this part is wrong somewhere. A, H, it's not ref. So the error right here is the spelling, and it doesn't show up. Google, there's something wrong there. Let's look. Oh, I think I fixed it already, actually. So that's okay. And then this last one, there's no text. So you'd want to put YouTube or whatever, and then it could take you there. Okay. So this is the assignment. I'm just going to break it down real quick and do the first one. So you should start off with nothing. If you click assignment, you can see what you need to do. It says create 3 A tags to go to 3 online encyclopedias. To ignore this, you can do whatever. You can just use these ones. I'm going to use Wikipedia. So the first thing I want is I need to get my A tag. I'm going to do it the cheater way. Click on links, find this tag. Ooh. I want to put it in. But we actually want to say Wikipedia. So the first thing I'm going to do is change what's here because this is where the user sees. You can see Wikipedia. The second part is I want this link. I'm just going to copy what they already have. So right now I have 1. So I need 3 more A tags. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to change them to be this word, and I'm going to put that word in here. Then I'm going to copy the link and put it in here and do the same thing over and over again. And then we're going to click more. We're going to share it with me, and you can drag it into your program wherever you into the box that makes sense. I'm not going to do that right now, though. Okay, so that's the first part. Then you should feel pretty comfortable with links. And here is my website. I want to highlight this. So you have 3 links. They can be of your favorite shows or your favorite animals. Mine are Futurama, Survivor, and The Wire. I use the H1 tag, the H2 tag, the HR tag, H3, H4, H5, and then H6. So you notice it gets smaller. I just wanted you to practice using each one of those tags. Make sure you get the line in the right spot. And I have full faith. If you have questions, please ask. And thank you for listening.